Okay, here we see a V100 feeder, but the situation is for all three types the same. So that's a HD cover, and here it is now correctly installed. And how we can check this? So all around it is very well pressed in the groove which we have. I'm not able to take it out, so it's very good fixed. So I can check everywhere and I cannot bring the cover out. Underneath we have 4 screws on each feeder. So to take it out we can loose them up. And if you are able to take it out, then this means that it is not installed correctly. When I use these screws a little bit, and I do the same again, and now you see that I can put it off. Because the screws are loose, this gap here increases. So if you have it installed like this, sometimes it looks like okay, but if you draw, it's easy to remove it. This means it's not installed correctly. So how to install it correctly? If it is fixed here, you have no chance to push it in correctly in this groove. Therefore, if you want to install it, it's important to loosen these screws here. The best is if they stand a little bit out, and if you then place it on an even surface, the feeder is pushed up a little bit, and I have the possibility to push it in the groove, and you feel that it snaps in. You have to do this all around. If there is a position where it doesn't snap in, you can take it out there again. And then it's good to have, we can tighten the screws again. And as soon as they get tightened, the gasket gets compressed. Before I completely fix it, I check it again to see if it looks good. Sometimes you have a curve here, and then you see that maybe it's not correctly in there. Now I fully tighten it. This has to be done by a tool, that the gasket gets nicely compressed. Then I can test again, and I'm not able to get it out again, which means that's how it should be. And as soon as the gasket is compressed in the groove, it is tight.